How to find NFT projects early NFT tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find NFT projects before they become popular and get the most amount for your buck. So let's get into it. Now, NFTs are one of the greatest and most lucrative ways to make some easy money right now. And if you go on to any NFT platform, you can see NFTs are going for so much and there are so many different drops every day. How do you actually know what to invest in and what to purchase? And whenever I go on any kind of NFT platform like OpenSea or any other marketplace, I take a look at the notable drops, and by the time that they are already on that marketplace, their prices are already soaring high. So this is already at 3 Ethereum, 4 Ethereum, and 4.4 for 5 Ethereum. So when I take a look at these NFTs, I'm like, hey, how is this possible? How could I not know about this drop until it happened? Well, there are many different tools where you will be able to know when a NFT drop is coming and how to be forewarned for a new NFT drop so you can be the first investor and be able to sell it for a lot more later on. Now, there are quite a few tools that I'm going to show you, and starting off is rarity tools. Now, I have 3 Ethereum based NFT dropping websites where you will get updates on Ethereum based NFTs, and then there are 2 more for Solana as well. But majority of the focus is going to stay on ETH because ETH NFTs are the most popular on OpenSea and other platforms as well. So that is why I do like to keep the focus on Ethereum, and you don't want to be like one of the few people trading Solana. Instead, be one of the majority and that will enable you to sell your NFTs more frequently as well. Now, going on to rarity tools. So if you go on to rarity.tools, you can just click on upcoming over here, and then you have your upcoming NFT sales. And this will not only give you the pre-sale of the NFT, but you will also have the Discord for the NFT, the Twitter, and the website for the NFT. So all social medias are linked on this for most kind of NFTs. You can take a look at the NFT previews on your left over here. You can also take a look when the pre-sale is, and you can also see the total amount of NFTs. So this has like 10,000 pieces in this collection. This has 3,000. So you can see the number of NFTs that are going to be a part of the collection. So you can pre-manage your funds to purchase a certain allocation of NFTs. And this is one of the simplest ways to stay up to date on NFTs. You can also click on the news section for more news on upcoming NFTs, and you can also click on all collections and you can take a look at the popular collections. But in most situations, it's already a bit too late to invest in those NFTs, but staying in the upcoming section, you will be able to garner a lot of information when you are in this section. So you can see this is for tomorrow, and this is going to be a great NFT collection. It's called Real Estate Agent Themed NFTs. So this looks like a nice collection. You can choose which one you want to invest in or not, and you can also just keep on scrolling down to see more on when the pre-sale and sale of NFTs is present. So you will be able to manage your schedule accordingly, and not only do they give you the date, but you also have the specific time for when they are going to be available, so you can take a look at the collection. You can also click on the Twitter handle over here to get more information. So you can see that there's also a Discord, and there's also a website, and you can take a look at the starting price, which is 0.01 ETH, and the PS price will be 0.025 ETH as well. So the earlier you are, the better it is going to be. For the initial 500 spots, you can only get it for 0.01 ETH, and a collection like this is definitely going to rocket up to 0.9 ETH initially in the first week. So going into a tool like this will really enable you to get the fastest access to the upcoming collections. Now, next up on our list, we have Nftcatcher.io. So every drop one list is their logo and their slogan, and this is so true because you will be able to get a instant access to the upcoming NFT drops. You can take a look at the past drops, but if you scroll up, you can click on drops over here. And then all you have to do is sign up, and then you will be able to browse the different drops that are coming up. You can take a look at the NFTs and their social media accounts as well. And you also have a drop link. You can also take a look at the platform of the NFT. Most are illustrations, so that is why it is not mentioned on all of them. But for most of these, they are illustration. And with Nftcatcher.io, you also have the option for minting. So you have NFTs that are not even launched into the marketplace. You can click on mint now, and then you can just pay the minting fee, and then you will be ready to get your own NFT. So not only are you going to be one of the initial buyers, but you're going to be the person minting the NFT. There's no one that is going to be faster than you if you are visiting these platforms every day or every other day. Now, next up on our list, we have Nft Calendar.io. Now, this is a more broad spectrum NFT locator. I like to take a look at this every once in a while whenever I'm looking for NFTs. And what this basically has is that this is like a very, very large list your own event kind of section where anyone can upload their own content and talk about their own NFT collection. But you can see in their featured platform, they have a lot of amazing NFT collections coming up, and you will be able to get previews, and you can also see the launch dates. And if you're looking for a certain blockchain to work on, you can take a look at the left side over here. And let's say we are only looking for Ethereum NFT collection, so you can take a look over here, and now you have these different collections that are coming on the Ethereum platform that you can mark on your calendars. Now, next up on our list, we have How Rare Is. Now, this is for Solana NFTs, and if you don't want to work with ETH, that's totally fine and totally up to you. So this is going to be your Solana tool, and this is one of the most basic Solana tools you will find. You can also take a look at the floor price, the items, the holders, and the on sale, and the percentage on sale. So this is like for all collections, but we're looking for future collections, so we're going to click on upcoming drops, and you can see that these are the upcoming drops. You have the extras, you have the price of the upcoming drops, and you see the public price is $2 to Solana, and the WL price is going to be 1.5 Solana. So you can see that it's going to be very lucrative, and you can just click on the NFT link, and this will open up the Twitter for the NFT collection, whatever kind of collection this is. So a lot of these almost all NFT collections have a Twitter link as well. So it's very essential that you are on Twitter for your NFT collection and its growth. Now, with this, you have a calendar-wise, a chronic listing of all the upcoming NFTs. You can see 8th May, 9th May, 10th May, and you can plan in the future. So if you're looking for, like, if you're going to receive your funds at a certain time, and then you're looking for a collection to invest in later on, you can even browse like months ahead for the collection that you are looking to purchase. But it's usually best if you stay within the month for the future collections, because you never know if you might be able to find a better collection at the time when the new collection is launched. Now, these are just some of the beginner tools. Some more advanced tools include IC tools. So IC tools is another great way to track upcoming NFTs and to get early access to NFTs. You can click on the collections over here and take a look at the popular collections, or you can click on calendar over here, and then this is going to be the NFT calendar, where you will be able to take a look at future upcoming NFTs, and you can also click on any of their social media websites. You have their Twitter, Discords, and websites, and you can just open up the NFT collection that you are interested in. Now, other than this, there are some more tools like Nansen. So Nansen is a paid tool. You are not going to get access to this for free, but they also have great details on the NFT game. And if you're really into NFTs and you're doing this very seriously, then you can go buy the Nansen plan and then be able to get behind and take a look at the NFT calendar. So you can see you just have basic stuff on the free version, but for actual analytics and the NFT calendars, you're going to have to go for the quarterly $3.99, which is going to be GST exclusive, so inclusive, so you're not going to be paying any more than that, but this is what the early access is going to get you for the price. Now, other than that, you need to make sure that whenever you are looking to purchase NFTs, you have a active NFT Twitter account, and you need to have a Twitter account for if you're ever looking to purchase NFTs, because Twitter is a great platform to get NFT and NFT information. And a lot of the NFT influencers are super active on Twitter. The NFT community is mostly based on Twitter, so you need to make sure you have a NFT account on Twitter and follow legitimate NFT influencers, follow legitimate NFT collections, and this will enable you to further get more into the community. And once you are a part of the community, you'll be able to get early access. You will be able to say, like, if you follow these NFT creators, you know, you might just look at their tweets and you will be able to recognize that, oh, they are working on a new collection or when their collection is going to drop. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to get early access to NFTs and find NFTs early. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.